Today I'm going to read you Psalms 2. Why do the nations conspire and the people plot in vain? The kings of the earth set themselves, and the rulers take counsel together against Yahweh and his anointed, saying, Let us put the bonds asunder and cast the cords from us. He who sits in the heavens, laugh. Yahweh has them in derision. Then he will speak to them in his wrath, and terrify them in his fury, saying, I have set my king on Zion, my holy hill. I will tell of the decree of Yahweh. He said to me, You are my son. Today I have begotten you. Ask of me, and I will make the nation your heritage, and the ends of the earth your possession. You shall break them with a rod of iron, and dash them in pieces like a potter's vessel. Now therefore, O kings, be wise, be warned, O rulers of the earth. Serve Yahweh with fear, with trembling. Kiss his feet, or he will be angry, and you will pass in the way, for his wrath is quickly kindled. Happy are all who take refuge in him.
Thank you, Tim.
Welcome.
Bless you, son.